Hi Bowling Green, it's Corey from the Bowling Green Chamber here with your December Chamber Scene. So this month we've got Startup Garden on December 4th, special guest Amanda Havard, the CEO of Lanai Innovation Lab, and that's at White Squirrel Brewery. Then on December 6th we have our Christmas Coffee Hour at the Capitol, sponsored by the Warren County Public Library. Also on the 6th we have our holiday open house, so come by the Chamber, all up College Street, the courthouse, City Hall, all of that. Check it out. Come in, mingle, jingle mingle with us and say hello. And then on the 12th at 4:30 we have our business after hours sponsored by Forvis Mazars. Sorry, it is so cold. And then check out Telia with our upcoming Light Up BGKY events.
Hi everyone, this is Telia Butler, the Downtown Development Coordinator for the City of Bowling Green, and I'm here to tell you more about this week's Light Up BGKY events happening all week long throughout Bowling Green and Warren County. We've got Christmas Marketplace at Hobson Grove Historic House Museum coming up on Wednesday all day long. We have story time in the Snow Dome and the brand new Red Seal wine tasting event at the Bowling Green Ballpark on Thursday. And Friday is downtown Bowling Green Lights Up, with activities happening all over downtown, from the courthouse to City Hall, to Fountain Square, Circus Square, and the Soki Ice Rink. And Saturday is the Bowling Green Warren County Christmas Parade, everyone's favorite. Visit lightupbgky.org to find out all the other events and times, and check out the new interactive lights map that shows you where you can walk through or drive through holiday lights in all of Warren County.
Thanks, Talia. Had to come inside to warm up a little bit to tell our BG Chamber partners about BG Bucks. BG Bucks is a community cash program, and if you're a partner, it's completely free for you to enroll. We're talking restaurants, retail, anybody. If you're interested in BG Bucks, visit us online at bgchamber.com to sign up. That's all for this month's Chamber Scene. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you in January.